Hi, this is Brandy. This is Honda Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Pink Seoul Plus box. This is a every other month K-Beauty subscription. Came in a mailer. Let's check it out. This is for October. And this is my second one of these Pink Seoul Pluses. Insert. A mask, Halika Soothing Gel Green Mask. A Bun Puff, cool. A Midnight Capping Pack. Oh, a sleeping mask. Light Serum, Pore Care by G9 Skin. Face Wrapping Peel Off Mask. Bulgarian Rose Hydrogel Essence. And AC Solution Calamine Gel Spot Patch. Pretty cool. So, Halika Milky Bun Puff. Oh, it's not. It's not candy. It looks like candy. It's a cute non-latex puff for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Use a makeup or beauty sponge to apply foundation, concealer, BB cream, or blusher. Full puff in half for narrow, smaller areas. G9 Skin Bulgarian Rose Hydrogel Essence. Improves skin tone elasticity. Contains pretty rose petals made from hydrogel to moisturize and provide vitality to your skin while cooling your skin temperature when applied. It's cold here, but okay. G9 Skin Product. You will receive one G9 Skin product based on your skin type and area of concern. I got the... AC Solution Calamine Gel Spot Patch. Peel off gel spot patch with calamine extract to soothe and protect troubled skin. Apply a thin layer on troubled area. Wait for gel to dry. You can leave on or remove once dry. The Skin Light Serum. Hold on, I'm filming.
I gotta bring my clean bucket.
Alright, baby. Receive one serum based on your skin type and area of concern. I got a Zoline and Zinc, which is Pore Care. Controls sebum and balances skin. I'm excited about that. Berry Some Face Wrapping Gel Pack. I got the gold. Right? This looks like gold. Honey and other ingredients to firm. And then 2 masks based on your skin type. So, very cool. Yeah. So, you may have noticed on my channel that I've kind of really cut back on K-Beauty, and that's because I'm trying to catch up. So, I probably will do a video in December to finalize my project plan and kind of decide what I'm going to do in the upcoming year. But until then, I think there's really nothing to update here. I haven't made very much progress, but I'm also not getting very much in. So it's only a matter of time, frankly, before I'm whittling away more. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. This is a very short video. So always like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.